We have the first SMS with the discount 1, then the second SMS with discount 2 after 22 hours, and the third SMS with the recover SMS after 1 day. And then we have Facebook Messenger discount number 1 at 40 minutes, and then the second Facebook Messenger with the products displayed with the recommended products after 22 hours. But yeah, this is the whole flow, and I literally, took you guys through the whole process. And you guys could literally copy and paste the setting I have. Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we'll be talking about SMS remarketing, and I'll be taking you guys through the whole process. But before we get started, let me announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me is here. If you guys want to apply, all you have to do is just drop a comment below. I'll be picking the best comment at the beginning of every single video. So yeah, as you can see, I'm going to show you guys an app called Cart Guru Retargeting. So I'm going to add this app. So I'm going to go to my store music chest. Alright, so now we're going to visit the app stores. I'm going to type in Cart Guru. Here it is. Click on it. Because SMS retargeting is super powerful. The open rates on SMS is like next level. Like SMS remarketing is the new abandoned cart emails. Install app. And this is something that I highly recommend everyone to jump on, because you guys want to stay ahead of the trend, ahead of the curve, because emails are slowly dying out and SMS is becoming the new marketing platform. So I'm going to take you guys through the whole process so you guys would have no problems whatsoever, and I'll be actually creating the flows on this video today with you guys. Alright, so it seems like it's working now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off email retargeting because I already have an app for that, but we're just going to set up SMS retargeting and Facebook Messenger retargeting with you on the calls today. So let's go next. Connect Facebook page, continue. Okay, as you can see, music chest is here, so I'm going to select music chest, select page, and then now it's going to be music chest, so maybe put a space. Can I make that capital? Yep, music chest. Next, discount percent. First round, let's do 10%. Second round, we'll do 20%. Next, for now, we're going to turn everything off since I just want retargeting. I don't really want to grow my audience as of yet. Let's try for free the starter. Alright, so I just installed the credit card details. So now we're going to go straight to the retargeting automation. View my retargeting rules. Banning carts, view details. So first, let's go discount 1 here. Preview discount 1. Template name discount 1. I'm going to go ahead and put in the template, which you guys could go ahead and copy and paste from me. Hi. Yep, that's it. 10% off. Save. Now this one's going to be discount 2. Preview. Yep, that's it. Save. This one's going to be recover. And we'll leave this as default. So actually want to click product displayed, preview, the product you are interested qualifies for a 20% discount with add tag, put in 20% off, get my background with music. Yeah, I'll stick with this one. Enjoy your discount. Add tag 20%. Right now, laughy face. Available for 24 hours. Yeah, save. So that's it. Recover without discount. And then the second one I'm going to do with product recommendations. Hey, we have a great list of product recommendations. Background music. I'm gonna use this one looks cool and simple. No, actually, yeah, stick with the music note. Title, music chess. We think you will love those. And then save. So that's the flow. We have the first SMS with the discount 1, then the second SMS with discount 2 after 22 hours, and the third SMS with the recover SMS after 1 day. And then we have Facebook Messenger discount number 1 at 40 minutes, and then the second Facebook Messenger with the products displayed with the recommended products after 22 hours. But yeah, this is the whole flow, and I literally, took you guys through the whole process. You guys could literally copy and paste the setting I have. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys found value in this tutorial and me taking you guys through A to Z. Not many people do this on YouTube, and this is something you'll find in a course, but I want to over provide value and just give it to you guys completely for free. If you guys found value, please be sure to drop a like below. That super helps. Drop a comment below, because I'll be giving $1,000 worth of courses or consulting too at the beginning of tomorrow's video, so be sure to do that. Question of the day: what sort of retargeting strategy do you have implemented right now? Is it email, Facebook ads, Google ads, SMS retargeting? Tell me what you currently have as a retargeting funnel. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow, so don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell if you guys want to edge on every single person. Check out my podcast where I post content 24 hours ahead of time. If you want to work with me one-on-one, sign up for the mentorship application linked in the description below. Other than that, hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.